Dear connections, today we will discuss about one important Power BI tip that will help you in your day-to-day work, and it is mostly helpful for them who are working in client-facing role for the BFSI clients or the FMCG client or any other client where they are working with congested dashboard. Congested dashboard means in one dashboard page, in one report there are multiple visuals are there and it looks congested, and when customer comes up with new request you need to adjust the space and do the work. At that time you are definitely face that issue. Let me show you my screen. So if I show you my Power BI, you can see this is a congested dashboard. Like there are three slicer here, two date slicer, then one product name, then top three customers, then two KPI card, one line chart, and one matrix also. Okay, one matrix also. So let's say you got a new requirement from your client that you need to adjust one more KPI card. Okay, so what you will do, you will go there and click on outside and click on a KPI card, let's say, or this card. Okay. So it is there, but you need to for adjusting this, you need to adjust the before visuals. Okay. So let's say you are doing this, and it is going, and see it is uncontrollable. Like it is just uncontrollable situation. Like you want to move one visual, but another visual is also moving with it. So how to get rid of this situation? To get rid of in this situation, what you can do is like you can go to the view option, then you will click on lock object. So it will lock all the objects in their place. But don't worry, however you are locking the object, it will, like, all the objects will like interact with all the filters. Don't worry about it. Like if you filter it on, it will automatically works. It is not like it will hamper your work. Now now see, if you want to change the position, it will not change the position also. You just click here and or you can, like, whatever their requirement is, you can fulfill the requirement. Like let's say you want to print supplier name. You want to print the supplier name. Let's say it is a multi-row card supplier name, and with a condition that where supplier name. You want to print supplier name where order quantity is greater than 2000. So like this way you can adjust all your visual, and this is a great suggestion. You can definitely use this method in your daily product daily work. And if you go to view and if you unlock this, then you can unlock. Okay, so that's all about today's video. Thank you.